What's up guys? So after the South Coast tour, we are the next day now and we're going to be going whale watching. So we've got to leave the hotel room, go down to the harbour, we're getting picked up so it's all good. Go down to the harbour on the boat to try and find the whales. Of course there's nobody sitting upstairs because it's freezing. Our boat is 10 times better than your boat. Yeah, where the f are the whales? I think we need to be at sea to see them first. Oh.
Maybe 50 meters from us.
See, everyone's on the other side, but I've came over to this side in case it goes off over on the other side.
Okay, just at 9 o'clock between the red boat and us. And we can see the under the tail. The back. Yeah, but it's far. So 9:30 now. On the left side of the boat. 11 o'clock. And now it's diving.
You said, oh, we're probably not going to see it.
I never said that.
You did.
I didn't. I said that why we're in so close.
No. Before we go on the boat this morning.
I never said that.
You
I said
said
it
it was too short.
No.
I will freaking raise it.
Okay, you can move it at 9 o'clock. 9 o'clock, 20 minutes. Super close, 1 o'clock. And the tail.
How you feel?
Happy.
Happy? What sort of whale did we saw?
A humpback whale.
Did we saw? Did we see?
A humpback whale.
And the milk of a humpback whale is very, very fatty because the baby needs to take a lot of weight to be able to come back here for the migration. So the milk of a humpback whale is 50% fat. They also have a sign on the
There! 11. Sorry. 1.
1 o'clock?
1 o'clock, sorry.
Okay, so the whale is at 1 o'clock. Remember from left. And now it's super close. And it's diving. And the tail again.
Me and Caitlin decided to start up our own whale watching company because I saw that one, so it just means we're fully qualified now.
I got the one before that day.
Oh, that's true. Whoa!
Just here on the right side, 3 o'clock, maybe 10 meters from the boat. It can be reached. So we keep looking around 3 o'clock. The whale is there.
This view's beautiful, Caitlin, right?
I can't even see. It's lovely.
Whoa! That was amazing. getting to see all the whales like that. Well, it was one whale and we're kind of tracking it. It was good. Some of them were right in front of me, but then the bloody video died because my memory, and I had to, well, the video didn't die. My camera turned off because of the memory, so I had to go back and delete old photos and videos from like videos I'd done a while ago. And then anyway, we got up and left. She was like, we've kind of seen the whale enough now, let's leave it be. So we went and just sailed around the peninsula, whatever you call it, for a wee bit, and then we came in. So yeah, so right now we're going to be going over to fly over Iceland. So it's like a roller coaster. That's what it's like to fly over Iceland.